First up, women in England are now going to be allowed to take abortion pills at home. All right, this says more than 100,000 England abortions happen every year, with the majority taking 2 pills to end their pregnancy. Wow, that's crazy. Currently, they have to take these pills in a clinic or hospital 24 to 48 hours apart, supervised by a nurse, which can lead to cramps or bleeding on the way home, sometimes on public transport. So the Department of Health has announced a change to the law by the end of the year, which will allow women to take the second pill at home. They'll still be able to attend a clinic if they wish, and anyone under 16 will be allowed to take the abortion pills at home as well, if approved by a clinician, although safeguards are being considered. Scotland also changed the law to allow women to take the abortion pill at home last October, with Wales following suit in June. So, that's an interesting topic. Pro-life or pro-choice?
That's me saying, what you want to do? Honestly.
Do what you want.
The woman, if you have the choice.
So you're pro-choice?
Yeah, man,
well, all of these countries apparently are pro-choice, and they're giving you the option of not having to stay in a clinic and get it. I'm assuming this has to be done before the pregnancy is a certain age, just for safety.
Of course.
And so please don't go thinking that we should be doing this at home without supervision. If you are in a problem or you find yourself in a situation that you can't handle, please take yourself to a physician. Don't try and do these things at home alone.
Yeah,
they cause much more problems than you would think.
Yeah, I think the move goes to giving women the freedom of making their own choice, and as you said, out of them with the public transportation end up causing
passing out on the bus. It's not even the mess, it's the safety of the person. So don't okay, I guess we can say big ups to England for making the decision to do that. However, as I said before, if you find yourself in a situation like this, please check with a doctor.
Yeah, as long as they regulate it, they'll be fine. Next topic. French Open bans Serena Williams' superhero catsuit from next year. So she'll be banned from wearing her Black Panther-inspired catsuit at the French Open in the future, with the tournament set to introduce a stricter dress code. 23-time Grand Slam champion said the outfit made her feel like a superhero at Roland Garros this year, and it helped her to cope with the issues of blood clots, which she said almost cost her a life giving birth. But the French Tennis Federation president, Bernard Goudechili, told Tennis Magazine it will no longer be accepted. I believe we have sometimes gone too far. You have to respect the game and the place. See why I have a problem with this now?
Yeah, man. Tell them why you have a problem with it.
This girl has made the game.
Not just that. What's the other part of it? Where the other girl?
Yeah, there's another
Where's
image.
The other girl?
Yeah.
Yaha. Yaha. Yaha.
You know? So
she got on a white suit. It's the same suit.
So, yeah,
they're gonna ban hers too?
It's not, no, it's an old picture, but it's not the same suit, you know. Her suit is outdated.
Tight.
Yeah, but her suit is
outdated.
New
suit, tight.
But what Serena had explained is that the suit helped her cope with blood clots after what she went through with pregnancy. And if you have an athlete who has made the sport as big as it is, and you're trying to regulate her, you're in turn telling me you're trying to regulate the sport.
So, but what wrong with what she have on?
I don't think...
Anything I show?
I don't see nothing wrong with this.
Let me ask a serious question. It's a pertinent question. When those ladies in tennis decide that they're going to wear these itty-bitty, teeny-weeny, tiny skirts with like some itty-bitty, teeny-weeny shorts underneath it, that's better than her wearing something that she's fully clothed from her neck to her ankles?
You know what the problem is? They just feel threatened. When you have...
What? By her hot body?
No. By her blackness.
Come on.
Sakia, listen to me. In the world of sports, when a black athlete is at the top, a lot of times the powers that be are threatened.
So them threatened by you saying?
He hasn't done anything to
shake
the mold.
What she do?
Professing the blackness, the Black Panther suit. you know.
Oh my lord. Okay, no problem. Dating. If you don't want to regulate Serena, you know, it'd be nice if she just say, all right, me nah bother.
Stop.
Me just nah bother. So I'm doing the thing. Stop. I got enough money. Y'all do your thing.
And her husband have enough money.
Exactly. She don't need you. So. Anyway, moving on. If you were tuning in last night, you'd know that we have a new queen. Miss Universe Jamaica 2018 is none other than Emily Madison. After a long night of competition, and it really was long, we saw 23 other young women vying for the coveted crown. Madison walked away with the title and over $1 million in cash and prizes. In addition to the crown, Madison took home the sectional prizes for Best in Swimwear, Best in Evening Gown, Most Photogenic, and Most Active on social media. So I caught, I think, middle to tail end to the end of it. And I was looking at when they went from top 10 to top 6. There she is. She's 19 years old, if you don't know. She's very young. And she answered her question very well because it actually was in relation to her age and how she would handle the title of Miss Universe being so young. And she really handled herself well. Why are you putting your hand on your hip?
No, I'm just...
You're trying to pose like that?
No, I'm not.
You have got to ask Terry to teach you how to do that. But I think she did very well. There were lots of hopefuls, and then the 3 ladies who won, I don't remember their last names, but I know it was Khadija and Kayla. They have the Miss Jamaica Grand and Miss Intercontinental, that's what it is. Yeah, 3 crowns and 3 beautiful ladies. Congratulations to all of you. Y'all did a fantastic job. I have a question.
I just want to know...
Question!
Hold on, man, before we get to the question. I just want to know, why do you have so much crowns? Miss Universe, Miss Intercontinental, Miss Jamaica.
That's what you mean, in terms of just saying the runner-up and the second runner-up? I don't know. You have to ask them. Question!
I know.
I think it's kind of cruel for the girls who have been taken out of the competition to have to walk on stage and stand up like 3 for 20 minutes or half an hour. Back of the girls that are top 6 are the ones that are going to be crowned for the top 3. So why is it, and I guess I'm sending this out to the organizers of Miss Jamaica Universe, that we can't allow the ladies who've been taken out of the competition to be comfortable around our back, and then at the end of it, and we can bring them on and make them congratulate the ladies or whatever. But it's so mean and harsh, and then they must smile and stand up there, and then the smile's done.
The whole thing is too long, in my opinion.
That's mean.
No, I'm not about that. I'm not about it. The whole thing is too long. The whole process too long, man. People drop asleep. I watched it last night. Yeah, one of them. It's too long. Just find a way to cut it, man. But I get what you're saying, but then we've cut the whole production itself.
Yeah, I agree. I tighten it up.
Yeah, man.
Alrighty. That's it for this week's trending topics, guys. But we are not gone yet.
Why not Mr. Jamaica?
What? Mr.
Jamaica.
They have a bodybuilding competition named Mr. Jamaica.
No.
If you want to go do that, go do that.
No.
Where with your boy, you want
Mr.
Jamaica? We'll still come back.
Show off my body.
Yes, Steve.